Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Shit Rock 254, man, back with the LS Trifecta. Y'all know what it is. Some people was asking me, like, hey, bro, what was the issue? Why it wouldn't start? Why I had the cam problem with the cam code? Well, come to find out, it was wired backwards. My boy that I got the harness from, he actually was the one, he was running on a different setup. I think his cam was at the front instead of the rear. So 2 of the wires just had to be reversed. My cam code went away, cleared it out, and then came back and it was good to go. I can show y'all. This would be like a cold start. You see, the battery disconnected. And put that there. See, I hook up the battery. Just got home from work, but I know people was asking, man, so I try to give them the game, give them the knowledge, give them the answers to the questions that they be wanting to know. So I ain't even gonna hook the laptop up. But, let that cycle. I'll cycle it one more time just for good measure, and then it should crank on over. Go ahead and spin over now. No issue. I mean, that first one was a little like, oh shit. But then after you do it again, it's good to go. Maybe second time, just always a charm. Could just be a little bit something else that need to be tuned or addressed or whatever, but all we doing on tripping, man, the C10 do the same thing. Sometimes the Tudo do the same thing, so very small, minimal problem if you ask me, honestly. But she alive, she rocking, and that's what matters. So yeah, just a little short vid. That was the issue, man. 2 of the pins was backwards on the cam sensor. Man, it's just good to, you know, when you go into those things. Cause I had already replaced the cam sensor. I even replaced the crank sensor just out the muscle. And then it still was giving a code that let me know I need to dig a little bit deeper. And then from there, like I said, that's when we went ahead and dived into the wiring itself. So, what was I gonna ask y'all? Oh yeah. So a lot of people, like I said, they've been like, man, they really like the build. I'm trying to light on. But yeah, man, a lot of people like, oh man, really love the build. Blah blah blah, man. So if y'all want me to make basically a LS Silverado 254 blueprint for this build right here, just let me know. put all the comments, or I'll drop it down in the comments below. I'm saying if it's enough people, then we'll go ahead and we'll make that happen to where it'll be a downloadable file. All you gotta do is download it. We'll put the links, etc., etc. I'll make it like a PDF or some shit. You know what I'm talking about? But yeah. But definitely put the links in there. Is where everything is. So I'll break down part numbers, etc. for everything, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's the ICT billet for the compressor. Hell, I even put the compressor part number in there. Water pump. Like exactly as my shit sits is how I do it, man. So make sure y'all get down in the comments. Let me know if there's something that y'all want. If y'all do, cool. If not, I ain't even gonna waste my time with it. But if it's something that y'all want, man, I'll do it for y'all. So, yeah. Be the LS Chevrolet 254 or the LS Trifecta blueprint, pretty much, as far as a swap. And, the setup of the engine bay. Because everybody like, oh, man, it's so clean. I mean, it is. Don't get me wrong. Like, I like the way it looks. It's very sexy. However, you know what I'm saying, before on the other bills, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't willing to part with that bread for the setup to look like this. Maybe because I knew I was eventually gonna do 2 or 3 more. So this one is the trifecta. I had to do it. Is what it is. But yeah, like I said, if you want that blueprint, I'll start working on it and have it probably to drop for y'all early 2022, and we'll put that out there for the people so they'll be able to get their stuff together all the way. Till next time, man, it's your boy LS Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice, to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go on.